So hey Purple Flags, welcome to my channel Bangtan Sonyanan. So as we all know, our beloved BTS is back as a group, but every army is so confused with their schedules. It feels like this they are here, they are there. BTS is everywhere. But guys, I'm here to summarize you what's going on in their life, what will be their future plans, and what are their current plans. So let's start. So, as we know, BTS is on hiatus for 3 years. Military hiatus basically for 3 years for completing their military services. But on 21st June 2025, all BTS members are back from their military services and now they are back as a group of seven. The BTS is back. On 13th July, as we celebrate as BTS Anniversary Day, all six members were present in J-Hope concert and give their fans a really beautiful gift for their anniversary. So, on 1st July 2025, BTS came on Weverse Live, all seven together after 3 years, and introduced their fans about their new projects which are going to be start soon and will I will share all the informations of that project further. So everyone was in the away, like what was they are doing right now, what are their current status right now. So currently, sadly, but all seven members are not together yet. Some of them have to complete their commitments before joining. So currently, RM has joined their schedule for next album in LA on 6th of July. Later on, followed by Suga, Jungkook, and Jimin, 7th of July. They all joined RM in LA for the schedule of next album. They start recording and writing the lyrics, preparing the album. As some of the members have still have to complete their commitments, we also joined them after completing his Paris Fashion Week of Sea Line. But now J Hope is currently in Berlin for Lollapalooza performance. His performance was the headline performance of the show, and it was 1 hour 30 minutes long performance with the timing of 8:15 p.m. according to the Berlin time. Jaya performance was also streamed live through Weavers Live and Bangtan TV YouTube channel. So you can go and watch it live according to the time I given you below. Berlin 8:15 p.m. 13 July, Korean time 3:15 a.m. 14 July and 11:45 p.m. 13 July Indian time. And Jin is currently in his world tour of Run Jin, which is started in Korea, Goyang Stadium. Currently next he is performing in Osaka, 12th and 13th of July, US in 17th July, and later on London and England on 5th and 6th August. And after completing his Run Jin tour, he will also join them in LA for preparation of the album. So according to K Media, and they informed their fans through Weavers Live, their next album gonna release next year on spring. They are preparing the very long full form album after 6 years of Map of Soul 7. They stay 2 months in LA with Preston producers for the betterment of their album and preparing their album in LA onwards. Everyone in their fandom is waiting for their album for so long, and the most waited thing, after completing and releasing their album in next year spring onwards, followed onwards, they are going for a world tour as a group of seven members. BTS are going on the world tour, so be prepared, armies. Get your backpacks ready, get your pockets ready because BTS is coming back. And yes, for sure, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon. See you soon with the next information of BTS. Until then, Borahe.